everybody, how's it going? Aaron here from Beansprout. This is the first instrument to show you from 2022. This is actually an instrument I've been working on for months, but since it's for myself, I've just been chipping away at it. This is number 645. It's a Cedar and Myrtle tenor ukulele. I needed this because I don't actually have a GCEA tuned ukulele made by myself, and I want to do some recording this year and I need one. So that was an excuse for it. Also, I wanted to try out some new finishes that are even more kind of eco-friendly, and they take a longer curing time. So this instrument, because it'll stay here, will be a great test for those finishes. So anyway, the back and sides are some beautiful plain striped myrtle. And this is the last bit of dark myrtle that matches my Moe instruments I played for years, the super soprano and a baritone. They're this board of myrtle, so it was fun to get that back out. And then this red cedar top, salvage red cedar from a hot tub, a cedar hot tub. It's the same stuff I use for all these drawers right here. So it's got cool marks and salvage marks and water stains, and I don't know what all that is, but I love it. And then pistachio fretboard head plate and bridge. Really cool dark swirly color on this one. And a salvaged redwood neck. Now I use myrtle for the binding with no black lines, so it has a real clean, simple look to it, and I just love it. So yeah, it feels really good. It sounds really good. I haven't been that excited about playing these smaller ukuleles lately, but this one, especially the low C string, I just love to hear it go. So yeah, that's 645, one for me. Cheers.